Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing another sealed A case. This one was a Christmas gift that I received from my wife, and it came directly from Dollar Tree. So ordered off Dollar Tree's website and shipped directly to me or to her. And so that's the best way to do it. If you don't care what case you're going to get, go to dollartree.com and order them right from there. If you do this ship to store stuff to save on shipping, it's possible that you end up getting open cases, and I don't trust that, so I like to just have them shipped direct to my home. So as you can see here on the label, you can see this was direct to Dollar Tree from Hot Wheels. Kind of tells you where it ended up. So I don't know if they have a big warehouse in Missouri possibly, but yeah, gives you a little detail there about the Dollar Tree. So we're going to get this thing opened up here, see if maybe, cross our fingers, we can at least get the Grand National Treasure Hunt. My last A case did not have a super or the regular treasure hunt, so here's to hoping we at least get the regular. All right, we're gonna crack this open. All right, guys, A case goodies. So we know we're gonna get some more good stuff in here because the A case just had good stuff. But we'll start off up top here and see what we have. Right off the bat, a couple of gold Bentley Continental GT3s and a RD06. Next stack, we got the Honda Moto Campo, the Audi 90 Quattro in that black. I do like that casting and love the white Civic Type R. So there's a nice one, guys. Love the C10 in that gray color. An amazing color for that amazing casting. And then we got a couple of Polestar TRXs. Ooh, there's a Barbie van. I see that pink. The Barbie Dream Camper. A drift and brake, and another awesome chalk gray GT500. Really love that casting. I'm a big Mustang fan, so love that. Ooh, we've got the Maserati Shamal, Alfa Romeo Giulia in a very cool livery, and the gray McLaren W1. Next up, the Carbonator, one of those awesome ones that you can use as a bottle opener, so very cool. A mod mill and a yellow Land Rover Defender double cab pickup. Next up, Defender 90, classic color in that, very cool. The Hot Wings car and another Moto Campo. Aha, there's some good stuff, guys. A Pass and Go Monopoly car, and then probably my favorite out of the case, the A case, is the Porsche 911 Carrera T in chalk gray, the same as my Porsche that I have in the garage. Very cool. Love that car. Love it. Ooh, the Bouncing Bass. Very cool casting. I think this is the first, yeah, it says new for 26 on there. First time this one has been out. So yeah, I think actually that color combo looks good with the purple and the gold. So I'm sure they'll come out with some other color schemes in that. And the Instant Boost. It's kind of a cool little, I think it's supposed to be shaped like a turbo. I like it. I think it's cool. And a Roger Dodger in the teal color. Very cool. Uh-oh. You see what I see, guys? See something hiding over there. I'm excited. Excited. The Quick Chat in silver instead of white. And a Dodge Charger Daytona in the gold. And look at that. It's our first one, guys. My first Grand National treasure hunt. Oh, I like that so much. And I'm not even going to knock on the colors. I like it a lot. The pink and the purple. The big 8.7 on the side. It's technically not a Grand National. It's the GNX, which is the high top trim Grand National. The really hard one to find. But super cool, guys. We got the treasure hunt. I'm stoked. Ooh, got some Ferraris. I forgot the yellow Ferraris were in here too. The Batmobile, this 365 GTB4, and the F40. Super cool casting. Love it. And what do we got here? Another Audi Quattro, the Ravager ST, and the Jeep Gladiator in that neon yellowish green. Very cool color on that one. All right, one half of the case down, one to go. Let's see what's on this side. Here we go. The Drift Ender. That's supposed to be the super treasure hunt, so we haven't found one of those. That's just a regular. Another McLaren W1. And another C10 in the gray. This is basically like a treasure hunt to me. I love these things. I can never find them on the pegs. They're always gone when I get there. Oh, nice. VW van, T3 Custom, and another one of my favorites. The Carrera T. Nice. And another double cab. And what do we got on here? Got the Carrera clip. Those are really cool. The Porsche 911 Carrera clips. Looks good in the blue. Another F40, guys. Two yellow F40s, so that's nice. And a McMurdy Sperling in the gray. These things are cool little cars. Another Quick Chat. RS200. That was actually the car that they did a super in the Q case, I believe. So very cool looking little color scheme with the Gulf livery. And the Diora 2. Oh, the Gordon Murray T33 in yellow, looking good. We got another pass and go. Nice. And a Mustang Mach-E race car, the RTR. Very cool car. Next up, we have another T3 Custom. The Ultimate T-Rex Transporter. And another mod mill. Another GTB4. A Pontiac Aztec. Always like the Aztec because this is one of the hideous, most ugly cars of all time. Has to be up there with the ugliest cars of all time. But it was the Breaking Bad car. So it has a cult following now. G2B RS200. One of my favorite fantasies, guys. I love the 8-ball cars. Decidedly go in a new color. I don't know, it was just a nostalgia thing for me back in the 90s and the 80s when I grew up. I always had a Magic 8-ball. I think they're cool. Another key clip. And another bouncing bass. Bouncing bass. The Sushi Tuner. And the Street Shrieker. Another Alfa Romeo Giulia. almost to the end, guys. Let's see what these three have for us. Oh, the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. That's a cool one. Hopefully they do that in a couple other colors. Be nice to have it in different colors. Another Batmobile. And a Roadster. Ooh, I really like that 59 Chevy Impala, guys. And I just saw a video of what this is going to look like later in the year. It's going to be white with some like lime green accents. It looks really cool. So that's definitely a cool casting. Another decidedly good. And a Solar Reflex. Last three, guys, is another Defender 90, an Instant Boost, and a Hot Wings. So A case is definitely hitting, guys. All right, guys, I've got my top 10 picked out here. So the decidedly go for fantasy. Then I'm a big fan of the Type R, especially in white on white. And then the gray Carrera T, love it. And that square body, guys, in that color scheme is just almost perfect. I love gray cars. The RS200, the key clip, and digging the GT500 in the gray. It looks really good with that graphics package. The F40, the Chevy Impala, that casting is sweet, and the McLaren. And to top it off, my number one choice of the A case has to be the Porsche 911 Carrera T in chalk gray. It is just such a good casting and looks so good in that color. Well, let me know in the comments, guys, what your favorite cars were of the A case. I'd be interested to hear from you. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe. We'll try to do an unboxing of each case throughout the year, and then stay tuned for our hunt videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.